Hello, I'm Tai Hui, the Chief Market Strategist for Asia Pacific from JP Morgan Asset Management, and welcome to this video discussing our asset allocation recommendations from our second quarter 2020 Guide to the Markets Asia. Given the near-term recession threat as a result of the COVID-19 outbreak, we believe investors should take a more defensive approach until the number of infections in the US and Europe comes under control. Government and central bank policy around the world would determine the pace of recovery once the outbreak is contained. The investment case for US Treasuries has become less appealing given the sharp drop in yields. However, we cannot neglect the fact that Treasuries are still moving in the opposite direction of equities and hence a useful component in a defensive portfolio. This negative correlation is a critical component in asset diversification. Investors can consider using asset-backed securities which has a low or even negative relationship with equities to manage volatility. Asia and emerging market fixed income may have a positive relationship with global equities. However, we believe that ongoing interest rate cuts by their central banks should provide support to Asian and emerging market sovereign debt. The relatively high interest rates will also attract yield-seeking investors around the world. Investors can consider US dollar-denominated emerging markets and Asian fixed income to better manage currency risks. Despite short-term challenges, investors should not neglect the long-term performance of assets. This includes being ready to add back positions on equities in line with the long-term structural trends in global economy. This includes the technology sector in the US and Europe, as well as domestic demand growth in Asia and emerging markets. Timing short-term market movements are very difficult, but focusing on long-term structural earnings driver should be able to deliver return to investors who are matching their long-term investment objectives. So to summarize, we should position for a more volatile time ahead as the global economy adjusts from the outbreak, and there are plenty of tools and assets for us to stay invested. Meanwhile, we should not neglect some of the long-term opportunities available during moments like these to build a portfolio to meet our long-term financial objectives. Thanks for watching. If you want to get a copy of the latest Guide to the Markets Asia, please reach out to JP Morgan Asset Management client representatives.